Dirty lens. So what do you need me to do?
Actually, if you come over on this side and sort of push these down. Yeah, push those, like put more force on it. Yep, perfect.
So,
No, lift the, yep. And then walk towards me, and then set it on the table there, towards the edge. Yeah, right on the edge here. Yeah. And then we're gonna flip it. Sort of like this. Now if you hold it over there, on the other hand, yep, hold it like that. These are stairs, but these are almost too high. Let's take him to the, yeah, like this it would be almost too high.
I think all you need to do is just maybe just saw like about here maybe or something.
Yeah.
Then it wouldn't be as high.
But these steps are too high too. Now on the other hand, if I build the stairs like this, then that's perfect, because then you can get one more step up. Ooh. Okay. I saw you sneeze into your hand and offer me your German-fested hand. I do not shake German-fested hands.
A German-fested hand? A vote is what I am, Bernie. Poor fella.
Yeah.
I mean, was he right? Or
I think so. I think it's okay to say no. I mean, the funny part about that show is that I completely understand where he's coming from, and it's not so silly that, you know, he does the things that he does.
but it's silly in the sense that he gets in trouble for it.
Yes. Nobody else seems to get his sort of sense of humor. In the show, I think that's totally hilarious. Hilarious. It's too funny. The stairs come together?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Let's screw in some of these pieces. Yeah, Arna?
Yeah?
Inside the tiny house, there's a piece just like this.
Uh-huh.
If you don't mind bringing it out for me.
Sure.
It's in here.
In the...
It's gonna be a solid set of stairs. Like really solid.
Mm-hmm.
Like unnecessarily solid.
Something go wrong?
I assume that this piece would eventually fit here, but it won't. I may have to pull this out a little bit.
Manchu has to pull the stairs out a little bit.
Yeah, so basically, I'm gonna screw this in like this, in here, and then when I put this up front, these stairs will be,
We're gonna wax these so that they stay solid and they live forever, right?
yeah, we're gonna paint it, once it's done, we're gonna paint it with a nice little coat, which will bring out the color of the wood a lot more.
I think that's what Vlad plans to do with the magic outhouse.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we need to screw it in like this. Pull one out. Yeah. That'll be a big old stairs.
Bye.